is Steve Meads, and appreciate you taking some time to watch this video. This is my first video, first screen recording that I've actually ever done. There's probably a lot of glitches here and maybe even a bit difficult for you to watch, so I apologize, but hopefully they'll get better over time. It's really just a way for me to showcase some of the projects that I'm working on and implement it into my portfolio. Which you can check out at stephenmeads.com if you're interested. That being said, I wanted to go ahead and share with you a project I just completed in my Block program. If you're not familiar with Block, Block.io is an online software developing / engineering program that I've been doing for the last couple months. You can check them out as well at Block.io. That being said, Blocmetrics is a project to teach API, developing API. This project specifically is API that is a tracking service, basically a reporting tool. And it specifically is an analytics service and reporting tool that you can use with web apps to track user activity. So, overall thoughts on this: up to date, most challenging project I've done, but certainly learned a great deal. Failed just about every second, which is the best way to learn. So very frustrating at times, but again, learned a lot. I was able to really hone in on using Devise as an authentication tool. Devise is a gem for authentication. And I think one of the biggest takeaways from this project was really learning how to follow error messages, and even using breadcrumbing kind of technique to uncover what code is breaking. If you're not familiar with that, what I mean is using puts as a way to figure out where the code isn't running through. So I used put calls in specific code blocks to see where my code is breaking, and you can really narrow it down to where the problem lies. So, and that actually is what helped me to finally figure out and get this application up and running. So, without further ado, I'll go ahead and just quickly show you Blocmetrics. Here we're at the login page. I've already created a user using the faker gem, which is just a way to seed a lot of fake data. The fake user we'll be using is Dr. Lance Nidzici. I don't know how you say that. And I apologize if that is your last name, but we'll go ahead and log in. Okay, so logged in successfully. That's good to see. And we're going to go ahead and register an application. The application we're going to register is Block It Off, which is another project I completed a little while back. The URL is just the development browser, and go ahead and paste it in there, and we don't want that slash there, so we'll save that. Okay, so then this brings us to our application event analysis page. You got Block It Off and the corresponding URL, and you can see where it will list event name and occurrence. So the event really is just a the way you track that is there's a snippet of JavaScript that you input into your desired Block It Off view page, the view page that you want to track. Once it's in there, then it communicates back with Blocmetrics, and it'll then display different events that occur on your page. So I will show you how that works. So we're here. I've created a wash car task to do, and I've completed it. So let's go back to Blocmetrics and refresh, and now we've got an actual some information here. So the information isn't exactly accurate to what we did because we only completed one item I put in the JavaScript snippet into several user page or view pages just so that I could see more, I guess, fake data or analysis. But to be more accurate, you would just need to figure out where that snippet needs to go, so you're getting one item that's deleted, or you're visiting the page, user profile page, one time, which is accurate in this case. So that's basically it. If you want, you can edit the application, and you can even delete the application, but we'll go ahead and leave it for now. And then obviously you can sign out and edit your profile if you wish. So that's Blocmetrics in a nutshell. And thanks so much for watching. If you have any questions, let me know.